To change volume on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open Settings on your phone. Next, we can go to the Sound and Vibration, and then in here we have the Volume section with 4 sliders for Media Loudness, Ringtone, Loudness, Notification Loudness, and the Alarm Loudness. Besides that, we can find similar options if you use Volume Up or Volume Down. So if you use that button, then we can use these 3 dots in here. And as you can see, we have a similar panel and we can adjust the loudness of these 4 things. Also, if you just simply use volume up or volume down, you can adjust the media volume or ringtone volume depending on a setting, which let me show you where it is. Over here we have the volume button function, so you can choose between media and ringtone. Usually it is used for the media, so you can quickly use this button to adjust how loud the media should be played on your phone. Also, we can go to Control Center or Quick Settings, and then here we have a slider for media loudness as well. So you can adjust the media loudness quickly over here, and you can tap on the speaker to quickly mute and unmute the media on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.